The less stress the keyboard brings, the more work gets done. Yoga Slim 7 Pro 6-inch takes on two-stage curve design. It makes all the difference. So what is a two-stage curve design? Usually when we type on a keyboard, the keycap goes down as the finger pressure increases. Pressure decreases right after the pressing. After that, keycaps bounce back as our pressure decreases. The whole process is a relatively smooth curve. But Lenovo engineers didn't stop here. They optimized the structure of keycaps for touch typing. Instead of a linear switch, keycap goes up and down when you tap on it. It will stay for a while when your force decreases, so it makes the whole rebound more powerful. To put it simply, when you press down, the keycap does not bounce back right away. Instead, it slowly lifts up for a little while, then goes back to the normal speed. In this case, for our visual senses, it's closer to 1.5 mm travel distance rather than 1.3. That explains why so many of our laptops stay thin and light, and keyboards can still provide a more comfortable typing experience. It's worth mentioning here, we have specialized anti-fingerprint coating applied on the keyboard surface to prevent smudges and streaks, to keep the keys clean and clear for a long time. They say it's the little things in life that makes the biggest difference. When making experiences, attention to detail matters to Lenovo. We'll continue to strive for excellence in everything we do for you. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.